Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. How are you? Welcome to my channel In Depth Analysis with Nitish. Right now, it's not a good news. It's still drizzling in Southampton, and the covers are fully on the pitch and on the square. So let's hope for the best. Keep our finger crossed. It's raining. It's raining, guys. It's raining from morning in Southampton. Until or unless rain stop नहीं होता है, the toss will definitely gets delayed. I'm still hoping that the drizzle will stop and we will have match. Please, dear friends, subscribe to my channel In Depth Analysis with Nitish. From today onwards, I am going to give you regular updates on this final. This was the day, this was the day I was waiting for. We were waiting for, but unfortunate rain has arrived, and the toss and the match is also gets delayed. Please subscribe my channel, dear friends. Please press the like button and don't forget to turn the notification bell icon so that you'll get the notification as soon as I release my video. It's been the unfortunate way for the final. Delay नहीं होना चाहिए था. I'm watching on TV, but what can be done? We cannot go against nature. It's a natural thing. India versus New Zealand both have geared up for this final, for this particular day. Both teams are strong. Both teams are very well matched. Kane Williamson will definitely have a role in New Zealander teams. The live match of this final is coming on Star Sports, HD and SD in both form. Dear friends, the match was scheduled to take place in time, but unfortunately the toss gets delayed and hence the match will also not start on time. Dear friends, please subscribe my channel. Let's hope for the best. Keep our finger crossed. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मैच होता है यहाँ पे. बोथ टीम्स काफ़ी तैयारियां के साथ यहाँ आई थी. इनफैक्ट न्यूजीलैंड्स वर देयर in the New Zealand's were there almost for the last 20 days. They have played 2 test matches there against England, and they have won the series after 22 years. India recent past records in England was not so good, but every day is a new day. Every day is a different day. Every day is not a Sunday. So an Indian cricket team is very gutsy. They have very gutsy performance in the last few years, especially 4 to 5 years. India have recently beaten an historic test series in Australia in their own backyard, defeating them. The young team of India has beaten recently Australia in their own backyard, especially the Gabba. The Gabba was a special test match, and the test series was declared by the ICC last week the test series of all time. The best test series of all time. Please subscribe my channel, dear friends. I'm waiting for, but unfortunate It's still drizzling and covers are entirely on the pitch and on the square. Let's hope for the best. Keep our finger crossed. So this is the news. This is the news that it's still drizzling and the toss gets delayed here in Southampton. There at Southampton, sorry. साउथहैम्पटन में टॉस डिले हो गया है, सो मैच भी डिले हो गया है। कृपया चैनल को सब्सक्राइब किया कीजिए। So we'll meet in few minutes. Let's hope for the best. Let's hope for the rain to get stopped, for the drizzle. जब तक एक भी बूंद पानी का स्टॉप नहीं होगा, मैच will never get start. The toss will not happen. Yeah. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. So this is the news that the toss gets delayed there at Southampton. Keep subscribing my channel, like the videos and share the videos. Thank you. We'll meet again.